Hi, my name is Eveline Thia from Shiny Brands Group in Taiwan. So for this poster is on our new study, which is a new hair follicle growth serum containing several botanical extracts. And we see its effect in managing hair loss. And basically our focus is on androgenetic alopecia, which is AGA. And so the way we designed this study is by two phases. So the first phase, we do it for the in vitro assay using the human hair dermal papilla cell, or HHDPC. And we see the serum effect in cell proliferation, the ROS inhibition, as well as the key enzyme that is usually associated with AGA, which is 5-alpha reductase. And then for phase 2, we look into the consumer satisfaction evaluation to further verify the safety as well as the efficacy of this new hair serum. So basically for the cell proliferation, we can see that at low concentration, it already significantly improved the proliferation of the dermal papilla cell. And we then move on to the ROS inhibition. Here we see that the cell is induced by H2O2, and then when treated using the serum at these two concentrations, the ROS generation is reduced significantly. And when calculated to the percentage inhibition as shown in this table, we can see that the percentage inhibition is approximately at 44 and 30%. So here that it indicates that this serum is able to alleviate the cellular senescence or aging caused by H2O2 and therefore may have effect in alleviating hair loss caused by AGA. And since AGA is very commonly related to increase in 5-alpha reductase activity, so here we also induce the cell using DHT. And we see that the activity of this enzyme increased by twofold. And when treated using our hair serum, we can see that there's a dose-dependent and significant decrease. And when calculated to the inhibition of this activity, we can see that at lower concentration, there's a 50% inhibition. And for a higher concentration, which is 1.25%, there's a 140% inhibition. And this result is almost on par with the positive control, which is Minoxidil. And moving on to the phase 2, we can see that we recruited 32 volunteers and do this study for 30 days. And overall satisfaction was reported at 80%. And for the duration of this study, 100% of these volunteers reported no any skin irritation, rash, or skin redness that was observed. And for the effectiveness itself, we can see that 87% of our users agree that this product minimizes hair loss, and therefore there's indication of the strengthening in hair roots. And finally, for the hair growth, we see that there's a 73% of significant improvement in hair growth. So probably here in figure 4, you will see a clear depiction that in 3 of our volunteers, we can see that there's an improvement and increase in the hair thickness as well as hair density. So from this study, we concluded that our botanical extract hair serum is therefore effective in managing hair loss caused by AGA. And because our study is still ongoing, so we are currently conducting a clinical study to see a longer term effect and to quantify the effectiveness of this study for 3 months and 6 months. Thank you.